it's no longer suspended. Yung ho ay lifted na. So starting today.
Thank you sa pag-click ng aking video. Good day po sa lahat ng SSS pensioners. Sa mga bagong viewers at napadaan lang, by the way, I'm Tita Eda. Welcome to my channel. Atin pong pakinggan ang question of the day. Pwede na bang pumunta sa SSS branch para mag-complete ng Acop or mag-apply ng Acop? Ano ang dapat gawin pag retiree pensioner ako na nasa abroad? Para sa sagot, please watch the entire video and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like and share this video and comment.
Are still preventing our senior citizen or ating mga lolo't lola from going to our offices. So hindi ho muna tayo pupunta ha. Relax muna ho kayo.
Is the filing of Acop is still suspended? Ang birthday po niya ay sa October 29 and I'm still unable to go home to the Philippines due to travel restrictions from pandemic. If not suspended, where could I send my Acop? I am here in Vancouver, Canada. Ayan, may kanina ka-announce po natin ang balitang ito, Attorney Sao.
Yes, that's true, Lisa. Kakabagit lang ni Lisa kanina, yung Acop po natin, it's no longer suspended. Yung ho ay lifted na. So starting October 1, today, pwede na hong pumunta ang ating mga, actually hindi sila pupunta we are still preventing our senior citizen or ating mga lolo't lola from going to our offices. So hindi ho muna tayo pupunta ha. Relax muna ho kayo. I-address muna ho natin yung ating kay Sir Manuel. Since nasa abroad po siya, ang proseso ho ng mga pensioners natin abroad is via Teams, MS Teams. So video conference ho yung Acop na gagawin. So ano ho gagawin niyo, sir? Mabuti ho mag-email ho tayo sa ating ofw.relations@sss.gov.ph. So that's ofw.relations@sss.gov.ph. I-submit nyo ho yung inyong yung Acop form. It's downloadable din mo sa aming website. I-send nyo ho yun sa ating yung nabanggit ho kong email. Mag-attach ho kayo ng inyong primary ID. Kung wala ho tayong primary ID, 2 secondary IDs para ho for verification purposes. And then mag-antay ho tayo ng email from SSS kasi i-send ho nila yung link kung paano ho tayo ma-conduct yung ating video conferencing. And you also have another option since nakita ko you're from Vancouver. Meron ho tayo foreign office dyan sa Vancouver. So you can drop by the office or you can send yung snail mail. You can send po ng regular mail. Ilakip nyo lang ho doon yung Acop form at saka sinabi ko hong copy lang ho, wag yung ID nyo ang ipadala nyo. Copy of your identification card, lagay nyo ho doon, at isend nyo ho dun sa ating Vancouver foreign office or you can drop by po yung sa aming foreign office sa Vancouver kung malapit po yun sa inyo. So yun ho, Sir Manuel, you have actually 2 options. Pero mas madali na nga, very convenient yung online. So email, ofw.relations@sss.gov.ph.
Maraming.
So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.